to the channel. So as you guys can see today, well, not obviously today, but we got these spacers from Farfrmstock. These are the 2.5-inch spacers. These going on the mega cab. Just because the wheels that we got right now, they're 22 by 12s, and I kind of do want that kind of 14 wide look. So with these are going to make them pop out more, and they're going to stick out a bit more. So let's go ahead and have these thrown on a 5th gen, and let's see how it looks. So let's get a quick video of how it looks like right now, and one with it now installed. All right, everyone, I know it's a little late right now. It's actually 9:30 at night. So what we're going to go ahead and do is go ahead and remove these, and what I'm going to go ahead and do actually is do my tire rotation, because I've already put probably, I don't know, maybe around, I'm not even sure, but it's been about like a month and a half and that I've been driving. I think it's about like 2,000 miles that I already put on the tires. So I'm going to go ahead and rotate them right now as we're doing this. I'm not going to show my face because my hair is all damn messed up. So let's go ahead and do these spacers and see how they come out. We're going to start with this side, and then we're going to go ahead and jump into the other side. And as always, shout out to Farfromstock for sponsoring these spacers to me. And we also have more stuff that they're sponsoring, so be on the outlook for that stuff. Alrighty guys, so let's get to it. Okay guys, so just make sure you have to do a pattern. It goes like, I guess, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and they're gonna be torqued down from 135 to 145 foot-pounds. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so here we are, checking out the truck, what it looks like with the 2.5-inch spacers. They do stick out a lot, as you guys can see last night. It looks killer, I'm not gonna lie. The only thing I am gonna say, I do rub on them for sure, for a fact, and it's right there in that corner of the metal. It's about like an inch. So that being said, we are going to have to get some kind of spacer lifted up a little bit more, just a hair bit more, because those aren't gonna do it. So I'll keep you guys posted on what we're gonna use, but for right now, I'm not gonna let you guys know. I see a lot of people using that brand, so we're gonna go and stick with it anyways, with the how you call it, with the 4-link that we're gonna get from Farfromstock, which should be fine, up to like probably 8 inches of a lift. So without further ado, let me show you guys out the truck real quick before we end the video.